Alright, welcome to the Unity remake for SCP Containment Breach, otherwise just known as SCP. So we'll just call it, we'll just make the map see a bunch of random words like fungus, office key, I don't know, lore friendly mode, yeah. I don't study the lore that much, but if this is the Unity remake, they probably have a ton more than the ones that are in the original game. Because the original game is, I won't say bare bones, but I think I encountered, if most, every single enemy in my other playthrough that I just stopped doing. So there's a good chance that they'll probably have, like, crazy ones. Ooh, that original sound. Alright. Whoa. What the hell? Like container assault. Whoa, this looks way better. Hell yeah. God damn. What? Dude, it's like a whole different game. How do I open up my documents? I must have read the control scheme. Yeah, but how do I check my inventory? Manually blank. Oh, tab. Yeah, that's what I was clicking. So, tab. Oh, there we go. I'm a dummy. Okay, so that's about the statue. Got it. There's all this stuff now. Wow, this looks... Damn. I'm liking this so far. SCP-1499, bodily hazard 1. Okay. Oh, okay, so if you put on the mask, a different surrounding will envelop us? Warehouse has key card, someone telling us to speak with him about it. Okay, well what is it, what's the point of it? First can get the code. Oh, okay, so it kind of teleports you, it seems like. So that would be a good way to get out of here. So it's like, we're getting attacked or something, just put on the mask and then boom, we're gone. Maybe. Okay. Shit. That's not good. Okay, we're going this way. Okay, yeah, our vision's restored, so it's just blinking. I can only focus when the statue's around. Okay. We gotta get to the warehouse, it seems like, for that key. We need to get keys in general if we want to move around. Oh, great. Remove these. It's not. We take the crowbar. Unlikely. I mean, I probably should start doing it, just that way I can go back really quick. But I don't like being surprised by them. Alright, level 1A. So we have to go up or down? No. Well, at least we can make some progress here. Level 2. Okay. We take that light. Okay, how do you jump? I guess there's no jump button, so. Oh. Loop. There we go. Nothing. Okay. Whoa, they're making a new area. Okay. I guess, so, yeah, 173 Mansion Escape, Disco Duck. Yeah, you can stop. Butterflies. Ow, 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 ow. Stop, 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 stop. They're following me? Ow, okay. This is not good. What? Oh! It was an SCP. Safe. Contain my ass. Damn it. Do that. So they only those things attack you? Figured 173 is probably on my trail by now. Yeah, I figured. Uh-oh, the old man's here. God damn it. Oh, shit. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I'll leave him with the butterflies. Whoa, you're really fast. And you're gonna kill me. Okay. Disco Duck, do your thing. You guys, follow me. Old man. Oh, killed me. Man, there's no quick saves. Okay. Once again, fungus. SCP-178. I think I'd rather render this to be like an hour long, rather than just cut it short a bunch. So that way people can get the full experience of what I'm experiencing, rather than kind of neutered version. Okay, so we need to go up. We made the mistake last time of going downwards. This must be actual important stuff.
Dr. Valentine, this is Cornelian. How many people are still unaccounted for?
At least 10. Everyone from the upper levels has been cleared, but only a few missing.
Oh.
We have most of the security
Okay, so you have the old man and the statue. There ain't anything up here, so... Looks like I might need to rely on the old man to get me out of here. But it doesn't look like he's gonna teleport me anytime soon, so... This must be his containment chamber. So it can be recontained, I figured. If that's even possible. Should probably head up here instead. I just need key cards. Key cards were the way out last time. A site lockdown. Great. So it looks like it's up to me to recontain it if I can. Or just escape. I've never tried recontainment in these playthroughs. I've just tried get out, escape. There's nothing anything up here. So it looks like I'm gonna need to come in contact with them somehow though. And avoid, dying. Okay, here's where I came from. Let's take a left this time. Nothing here. Keep going, keep going. Oh, 1A. That's where the butterflies are at. I'm just gonna get the notes and go. Knowledge is power. Looks like a card. Alright, I'm going for it. Nope, that's not a card. Sorry I disturbed you. Stop, 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 stop. Damn it! What's that med kit? Nothing? Great. Well, if I die, it'll be a fast death. Okay. It must be working together. Is he gone? Oh, did I get shocked? God damn it! Okay, one last try. I think I'm actually gonna play this game though. This one seems... I just like the fact that you don't get killed in the intro. So I can avoid that, and you also can use the same seed. So it's a win-win. That was my phone. Okay, let's go. Bada boopity.
this is Cornelian. How many people are still unaccounted for? At least half. Everyone from the upper
can I read this?
clear. Only a few missing. We have most of the security and research teams here. Most of the people that are missing are from the lower levels. Do we know which objects have broken containment? We have multiple accounts for SCP 16173.
106 and 173. Oh, here we go. Whoa, what? I typed in. Oh, God. Oh. Just about point and click. Attachment to what they're bringing. Okay, so it needs a new tank. Got it. Oh, and they gave it. Oh, so the medkits gave us bandages. I get it. Okay. Okay. Middle. Nothing here. Our poor guy's office was under the stairs. Yeah. 2A. Yeah, it sounds spooky. Oh! Whoa, we're in a tundra. Or maybe this is a new facility, unlike the first game. Okay, well, let's see what's going on here. Nothing. Okay. And that is locked. Oh! Here. What's going on? Uh-oh. Old man. He's here. Come on, bro. I just want to check if there's any materials here I might need. Okay. Go. No. I'm not going to the Shadow Realm. Hell no. I made this far. You... Right, you can walk through stuff. I forgot. Candy. Oh, okay. Damn it. Oh, there he is. Hey, stop it. Stop hitting me! Stop hitting me! Stop! Go! Oh, you? I got my eye on you. Come on. God damn it. Okay. This is a challenge, but I accept this challenge, man. If this gets like 10 or 15 likes, I'm gonna make a re-upload. Not re-upload. I'm gonna make a continuation for this because this is actually interesting.